can I help you with?
Can I file an appeal if I believe my real estate assessment is incorrectly assessed? If so, can you tell me how?
Yes, I can. If you believe your real estate is incorrectly assessed, you can file an appeal. However, before doing so, the Department of Tax Administration recommends that you first connect with our staff appraisers virtually to discuss your assessment questions. You can make an appointment online or call to make an appointment at 703-222-8234, weekdays between 8 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. If you need general assessment information, you may also call the Automated Information System at 703-222-6740. If you still wish to file an appeal, the appeal form is available online for viewing and printing in a PDF format. You can file your appeal online, download the form, or call us to have one mailed to you. The deadline to file an administrative appeal with the Department of Tax Administration is April 1st. If you are not satisfied with the results of your administrative appeal and you wish to appeal your assessment further, you may submit your appeal to the Fairfax County Board of Equalization, or BOE, an independent body appointed by the Board of Supervisors. The BOE has the power to increase, decrease, or keep the same assessment upon its review in a formal hearing. An administrative appeal is not a prerequisite to filing a BOE appeal. If you wish to file an appeal with the BOE, the appeal form is available online for viewing and printing. You can download it or call us to have one mailed to you. The deadline to file a BOE appeal is June 1st. A third and final option for those who are unable to receive relief through the administrative and/or BOE appeal processes is to appeal to the Fairfax County Circuit Court. Neither a BOE appeal nor an administrative appeal is a prerequisite to filing an appeal to the Circuit Court. For more information, please visit our website at fairfaxcounty.gov/taxes/real-estate. Did this answer your question?
Yes, it did. Thank you.
Goodbye.